Standing favorite, Tahomo. And the race is on. Deadly Storm from the outside, moving up by Dranislas Cienega. Also rushing up Spanish Ram Banay, moving up by Dralis Royal Milestone. Tahomo rushing up Beautiful Miss, and Mutyanang Pasig is the early trailer. Spanish Drums from the outside, Banay, and Deadly Storm, Beautiful Miss on the outside, Royal Milestone, Homo, and La Cienega, and rounding the quarter, Spanish Drums by Anek, followed by Banay down on the inside. Picks his nose by Dral. Banay, Spanish Drums on the outside. Beautiful Miss on the outside. La Cienega and Royal Mason. Tahomo as they race to final corner. Banay by a length and a half. Spanish Drums on the outside. Royal Milestone. Beautiful Miss. And nearing the finish line. Banay, Spanish Drums on the outside. Banay, Spanish Drums on the outside. Spanish Drums moves up, and finally Spanish Drums, Banay, Tahomo, La Cienega, Beautiful Miss.